I never thought my ex-fiancé would be my boss, and now I have to report to him directly. Hello? Daniel? Daniel, are you home?
Hey, Emily, come up here. I need your help.
Daniel! I'm sorry, I should...
Wait.
Daniel, please, cover yourself.
What, are you embarrassed? It's nothing you haven't seen before.
If you're all set, then, I should go.
Stop. You do know you're here to be my assistant, right?
Well, if there's anything work-related, just let me know.
Here. Take the coat. Wait by the door. We're going to go meet some friends at a bar.
I'm not going to be Daniel Oster's assistant.
Have you forgotten so easily? Just imagine the look on that loser ex's face of yours when he receives the massive debt collection notices, and not to mention the court summons.
Daniel! Hey, Daniel! Come on, you're late. Hey, dude. Do I have the honor you drink with me?
Actually, she's not really that much of a drinker.
Daniel, you know there's a penalty for being late, huh? Pick a female in the room and try to kiss her. Good choice. Kiss her, kiss her, kiss her.
Sorry, they can be kind of relentless. Might as well get it.
I'll drink for punishment. What are you doing?
You know, if you can't handle it, maybe you shouldn't drink. Is kissing me really that difficult? It's just a game.
Just a game? I can't treat it that way. I've always loved you, Daniel.
Don't joke like that. I won't betray my husband.
Your husband. I guess I should just wish you guys a lifetime of happiness then.
I should go.
You'd be so heartless.
Are you all ready? God, you've always been such a lightweight. You really need to take better care of yourself. Come on, I'll take you home. I'll go get you something for the hangover.
James, that collaboration you were talking to me about. Why don't you come over so we can discuss it further?
I brought you this. Are you even drunk?
Yeah, I'm drunk. I'm in love. And you're the only cure I need.
We shouldn't be doing this.
My eyes.
You hit me with the H-E-Y.
Daniel, you up here? Daniel, you up here?
James, what is he doing here?
What's wrong? You look rattled. Worried about how you're gonna explain this to your husband?
I need to go. If James catches us, it's over.
Keep him around. Take him to the curb. Now I can give you whatever you want better than he ever could.
Daniel, I'm coming. Oh, sorry. Keep going.
What do you want?
I want to feel your heart race. Only for me.
Daniel, please. What am I doing?
What kind of guy would invite me over while he's the woman? Why are you here? Wait, you're not thinking of... Please don't tell me you ran out to avoid seeing Daniel with someone else. You need to take this seriously. Keeping Daniel happy is our top priority.
Yes, James. Sorry about earlier. Listen, I need you to set up a candlelit dinner as a surprise for my girl.
Everything is set, Mr. Oster. Your sweetheart is going to be so touched by all of this. Can I ask which lovely lady you're waiting for?
It's over between us! Look, he gave me a ring!
You'll know when she arrives.
I'll, go check on the food.
Looks like he really cares about this date.
You just gonna stand there?
Here's the file you needed. See you tomorrow. What are you doing?
What's wrong? Are you jealous? Jealous of my date?
Of course not. Why would I be jealous? I hope you have a great date. We can't do this.
Why not?
You'll regret this, Emily. Emily! I swear it, you will regret this! Emily!
I'm married. And you have a date.
So what?
So we should only have a boss-employee relationship. Please, just don't toy with me like this anymore.
I didn't start that kiss.
I need to control my feelings for Daniel. Otherwise, it'll only make things more complicated.
It was just a slip-up. Daniel, we're done.
Emily, if you could choose again, would you pick James or me?
The treatment alone without proper insurance can cost over $1 million. The surgery is critical for Daniel's survival.
James, please, I swear I will pay you back.
It's a special marriage contract. There's no divorce clause. That means you would marry me and can never leave me.
I never thought about picking James. But do I really have a choice?
If you pick me, this contract could be your compensation to James. It's what he's always wanted.
Who do you think I am? Just something to trade or a tool for your pleasure? You clearly have a lover, and yet you want to treat me like this? Is this how you're getting back at me?
You didn't answer me. Me or him?
Emily, what are you doing here?
I just came to drop off some files. If I did anything wrong, I'm really sorry.
Emily, any updates on our partnership?
I think I should resign.
What's going on between you two? You hiding something from me?
No, it's just the work pressure.
Stop talking nonsense. Just make sure you serve him well.
You're the one that wants to work with him, not me.
Don't forget who helped you when you were struggling. Your mother's still in the hospital waiting for treatment money, and I'm not giving you another dime.
Right. Mom still needs money for her medical bills. I need to earn it.
Baby, I'm sorry. I got a little carried away. Pressure at work has been intense. You understand, right? I love you. I don't want you to be Daniel's assistant either. But we need to make this work for our future.
I'll stay on as his assistant, but it's for my own sake.
Okay. Whatever you say. Just hurry back. He's still inside.
Emily, he's not a good guy. Why can't you see that?
You're bleeding. What happened? Wait here. I'll go get the first aid kit.
So you actually care that I'm hurt?
Of course I do. Just try to keep it dry for the next few days. You might get infected.
Tell me you don't feel this.
Right now. I'll leave you alone.
This isn't right.
Being with someone you don't love, that's what isn't right.
So I should just be with the boss that likes to flirt with me?
Why patch me up at all?
I'm your assistant. It's just my job.
You're more than my assistant. The way you act, how you look at me, it's like...
Sorry, I'm loyal to my marriage and my husband is still out there.
When you left me, you were cold as ice. Willing to sacrifice our love. How is being with James any different?
Enough! Stop. Please.
Mr. Oster, isn't your sweetheart supposed to be here by now?
She already left.
What? I didn't see her outside.
She was unhappy with our arrangements and has turned me down several times.
What? What kind of woman would turn down someone like you? Just force her to be with you.
Is that how you ended up with Emily?
Actually, we're together because of her ex-boyfriend.
What does her ex have to do with this?
Sorry I'm late.
Hey, darling. I've been too busy to take you out this week. Let's change that tonight.
Talk later. I'll wear your favorite uniform.
Emily, you really should see his true colors. The marriage you're trying to protect is a joke.
This is the house special. The same one Vivian recommended to me when we first met 2 years ago.
Fooling around with Vivian for 2 years. Quite the catch, James.
What's going on between Emily and James?
I need you to come pick me up. I can't drive with my hand.